Clementia Eugene, lecturer in the Social Work and Development program. In our program, every student is assigned a mentor or an academic coach. This forms part of the Study Progress Assistance domain of our curriculum. In the SPA, as it is called, you will be engaged in the 3 R's: reflection, resilience, and relationships. When I think of reflection, I think of the words of John Dewey, who says, "We do not learn from experience, we learn from reflecting on our experiences." Therefore, you will learn how to reflect, how to turn inward and process your experiences so that you can acquire the knowledge, the skills, and the attitudes to shape and mold and fashion you into becoming a reflective professional social worker. In the coaching experience, you will learn a repertoire of self-care skills to support you in coping with any stress you may encounter during your studies so that you can become resilient. In your coaching experiences, you will be encouraged to build relationships with your peers to support you in navigating the program successfully. See you in August.